Welcome friends. Today I shall discuss with you the blood and its transfusion. According to life science, the blood is a red color, slightly salty, heavier than water, and it's a liquid connective tissue. Blood is used by the doctor in the transfusion. These are required in the case of major operation, accident, postpartum cases, and thalassemia. In the thalassemia, 20% of the total collected blood is used today. Sometimes in anemia, sometimes in cancer, sometimes in third degree burns, and in some neonatal cases. The history starts with the major landmark years are in the 1616, Dr. William Harvey of England first discovered the blood circulation through artery and vein. Then in 1901, Dr. Karl Landsteiner of Vienna, Austria discovered ABO blood group, and the AB blood group is discovered by Dr. De Castro and Starling in the year 1902. In 1932, Dr. Andrei Bagdasarov of Russia first discovered the technique how to preserve the blood by using sodium citrate and keep the blood in 4 degrees Celsius, and he capable to keep the blood 21 days usable. And in 1936, Dr. Norman Bethune of Canada first established the blood bank in Madrid, Spain. After that, in 1940, Dr. Karl Landsteiner again, now he shifted to USA with the association of Dr. Alexander S. Werner. He discovered the Rh factor. In 1942, the first blood bank of India established in Calcutta. And in 1998, the present status is achieved. That means in blood bank we are keeping the blood with the help of the anticoagulant CPDA, that means citrate, phosphate, dextrose and adenine, and we keep it in the 4 degrees Celsius and we can use it in 35 days. Only human can donate blood to human. Blood cannot be produced in factories. So it is very important to know the demand and supply of the blood. According to Supreme Court, in the according their verdict in the 4th January 1996, blood cannot be sold, and it's come into act on 1998, 1st January. And the world scenario is this: the demand is 15 crore and the supply is 10.8 crore bags per year. In India, it is 1.2 crore bags, and it is the supply is 1 crore only. So the deficit is 0.2 crore. According to WHO guideline, we can take the normal bag is a 350 ml blood per bag. In India, we are calculating the 7 bags per bed, and in the other developing countries of the world, the calculation comes in terms of 12 to 14 bags per bed. The function of blood bank are donor motivation and collection, second, blood collection, third, blood testing and preservation, and the distribution of blood as per requirement, the data collection, the last one is the experiment and research. There are 3 types of blood banks in India now. It is government, another is private, and another is non-profitable organization, some NGOs like Red Cross and like this. And government, there are 2 parts, the central government and state government. In West Bengal, there are about 103 blood banks are under government, and there are many private and NGO blood banks are there. In male, in healthy male, the blood is present in the body, it's 76 ml per kg, and in the female it is 66 ml per kg. But the requirement of our body is only 50 ml per kg. So in the male, it is surplus blood is present in the body is 26 ml per kg, and in the female it is 16 ml per kg. And according to WHO guideline, we can donate the 8 ml per kg blood. So if a person or female, anyone having 45 kg weight, he or she can give 8 ml blood, that means into 360 ml blood without harming his or her body. So it is coming 360 ml, but it is taking according to WHO guideline, it is 350 ml. In this 350 ml, we are mixing CPDA 14 ml per 100 ml of blood. That means it comes to 49 ml. So 350 ml plus 49 ml, that means it is near about 400 ml blood, it is present in a bag. Only 2 days required to replenishment of water part of the blood donated by the donor. And 21 days is required for the replenishment of blood cells given by the donor. Blood is always taken from the vein, not from the artery, because the wall of vein is rather thinner than artery, and it is in superficial position, and 3 to 5 minutes is required to collect blood from you, but 3 to 4 hours is required by the patient to receive this blood, and 28 drops per minute is given blood to the patient. There are 8 types of blood group: A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, and O positive and O negative. In the case of A, the agglutinogen A is present, agglutinin beta is present. The genotype will be capital A by capital A and capital A by capital O. And in case of B blood group, the agglutinogen is B, the agglutinin is alpha, and the genotype is capital B by capital B and capital B by capital O. In the case of AB, the agglutinogen A and B is present, in the agglutinin is absent, and the genotype always be A, capital A by capital B. And in the case of O, the agglutinogen is nil and the agglutinin is alpha and beta present, and the genotype will be O by O. the Rh factor which is present on the surface of the RBC. According to this, it is 95% of the population is positive and 5% is negative in India and the subcontinent, and the genotype will be capital T by capital D and capital D by small d, and in the negative there will be always capital small d by small d. When a patient party come to the at the time of going to blood bank, they should take the requisition by the doctor 2 blood samples from the patient, ice pack and some fees and Aadhaar cards, etc. Whenever they are coming from the blood bank, they must carry the blood bags and cross patch slip, and cross patch is nothing but the matching of the serum with the recipient blood cell and the packet's blood cell with the recipient serum. If it is matched, then only the packet is provided to you. In developed country, the 60 to 80 person per 1000 donated blood, but in India the number is down to 8 and in West Bengal it is 9. The psychoanalysis has been done. Why the people do not give blood? The 64% is the fear factor. Another is ignorance, some superstition, some family hindrance, and no motivation or lack of motivation and lack of opportunity. But some donors first time given but second time given, after that they become reluctant. Why? The psychology says like this: they have some bitter experience and no information about blood camp, and the location is away from his residence, and the non-availability of blood when his or her family requirement required, and non-availability of credit card and the media. And why do they donate? Because to save one's life, to cherish his or her mind that I have to donate blood to save somebody, to death of my motherland. And after all, the goodness of the human being, and the main thing is the fulfillment of the mind to save others' life. Thank you.
Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.